promises. I'm sick of having the same conversation, and I can't take this anymore. Too many years we've been running around in circles. It always leads us back to you. 'Cause you won't make your mind up now. 'Cause who knows what you're really thinking. I don't know if you're in or out. 'Cause I know you're what I'm feeling. Make your mind up now.
Sa hirap, sa ginhawa, sa dusa at sa ligaya, kayo pa rin ang mananatiling mag-asawa.
Hi, love. This is it. Natuloy din sa wakas. We both know na hindi naging madali ang lahat, but still hindi tayo nagpatinag at dumating tayo sa araw na ito.
Love, the day is finally here. The day we've dreamed of. Who would have thought such an awkward first kiss would end up leading this day?
Your hand here in mine, in all my life. This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part.
I love you so much, not only for who you are, but who I am when I'm with you. You help me become a better person I am today with.
Aantayin ko ang bawat pag-uwi mo, and I'll make sure na sa oras na hindi tayo magkasama. Papakatatag ako at patuloy pa rin kita mahal.
This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part. The stars are all watching.
We will be a team. Kampi tayo palagi. Kagaya ng palagi nating sinasabi, bubuo tayo ng masayang pamilya.
This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part. This is the best part. You are the best part.
No matter how far may roam your side, by your side I made my home. I love you.
John Harold A. Bendoy, love, mahal na mahal kita ngayon at kailanman.